guys, it's me, it's Kata, and as you know, she always comes because, yeah.
You've never made a video with me before, right?
Yeah, I have. Remember our first video?
Oh, you posted that? Oh, okay.
Okay, so what we're gonna do
Is show you guys our squishies and slime.
So yeah, so let's start. So this one is a tiny one. It's a crunchy. Sorry for that noise in the background. Oh my god. So
That is really loud.
I know, because it's a motorcycle. So don't go away. So this is it. It's like really glittery, so glitter gets on my hands. And then like this is it. So it's very pokey.
So, the squishy that I have, this is mine, it's really slow rising, and it kind of smells like bread, and it's like in the shape of like Hello Kitty, and then a bow, and then icing, and it's like a donut. So, yeah. And it's so squishy.
And like you get them at Showcase.
Yeah.
But this one is from Michael's, and it's a basketball, and it's really slow rising. And I have another one that's a baseball, but I don't know where it is, so. But it's just like this one, but this one is a bit more squishier. And then there's this one,
This blue slime, and it's just like the other one. Except
Yeah.
it's not crunchy.
yeah, but like this is, it's pretty stretchy and pokey, so here, wait, I can't really poke it, but probably can't hear because of the background, but whatever, because we wanted to do one outside. We thought it'd be really cool. I thought it would be, and she was like, okay. And then this one is another one, and it's a more lighter blue. And you can say, well, it might look a bit dark to you guys on camera, but
Because like there's shade and it's covering.
yeah, so yeah. It's not that stretchy.
Are we
Or
done?
pokey. I don't know.
Because I never brought any of my slimes.
Oh.
So I guess we're over.
If she would have brought her slimes, then we would have like a what?
But, so sorry this is a very short video.
Yeah. And go check her video out.
It'll be in the description. My channel will be in the description.
We're making a YouTube video of Never Have I Ever.
Yeah. But except it's gonna be inside.
Yeah.
So bye.
I can't even reach it. Bye.